Hey guys, it's me Rupak and we are here at Shivpuri National Park today. We will be hiking all the way up to Shivapuri Peak through Baghdwar and Tinchuli. Talking about Shivapuri, it's located at the northern fringe of Kathmandu Valley and named after Shivapuri Peak, which have an altitude of 2732 meter. With an area of 159 square kilometer, the national park falls under Kathmandu Nuwakot, Sindhu Falchok and Dhading district. Talking about few facts, as there is no hotel and tea shops around inside the park, hikers must have to carry all their essentials themselves like lunch, snacks and water. The route is marked, so as long as one is following the route, no need to be afraid to get lost in the park. Geographically, Shivapuri lies in a transition zone between subtropical and temperate climate. The park is also home to different mammalian species as Himalayan black bear, leopard, jungle cat and rhesus monkey. 177 species of birds, 102 species of butterflies and 129 species of mushroom. Shivapuri is also one of the main sources of drinking water for Kathmandu Valley. Every day about 30 million liters of water is tapped from rivers such as Bagmati and the Visnumati, as well as from the several other smaller streams. Minutes and like we're still on our way. Like we have been walking for around like approximately 1 hour and like it's still a long way to go up to Shivapuri Peak. So here's the way. Most of the paths are stairs uphill, like it's really hard to keep it up with that. सो हामी चाहिँ अहिले शिवपुरीको लाइक पिक जाँदै गर्दा बिचमा छौँ होइन अनि हाम्रो चाहिँ दुईजना साथीहरू छन् हामीसँग हाइक गर्ने आकाश अनि रोजिका अनि आकाश कस्तो फिल भइरहेछ
एकदम रमाइलो एकदम भर्याङहरू होइन हेर्नु चाहिँ हिँड्यो खतरा एक्सर्साइज पनि हुँदो रहेछ खतरा एडभेन्चर पनि हुँदो रहेछ है अब अझै बाँकी छ वे टु गो आई बिलिभ 2 आवर्स त अझै हिँड्नु बाँकी छ
अनि रोजिका कस्तो फिल भइरहेछ
एकदम रमाइलो
थाकिरहेछ
एकदम भनेर साथेर एकदम धेरै भरेको रहेछ मैले यति धेरै हिँड्नुपर्छ भन्ने सोचेको थिइनँ मैले बनाएको म आफैले भुटेको
आउन ए उसँग रहेछ आज चाहिँले पकाइदिनु होइन
बिस्केट अलिकति सक्यो म त्यसमा यति सक्ने चारबाट खाइहाल्छु
ल 15 to 20 minutes only.
Also, I want to suggest all the hikers not to hike at Shivapuri National Park alone, as it's not the local park but the home of wild animals. So please follow all the rules and don't forget to carry all your trash back and dispose them properly. I hope you liked our video. Feedbacks are highly appreciated. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Also follow us on Facebook and Instagram. Links are in bio. Thank you.